It's okay, little buddy. Don't you be scared. Animal's here to help you. Oh, it's okay. We can be friends.
What are you doing, Animal?
I'm trying to help this baby bird I found. He's lost and doesn't know where he lives.
Oh, he must be so scared.
Yes, it's very scary to be lost. Can you help me find his home?
Sure, Animal, I'd love to. Maybe these boys and girls know a little bit about animal habitats. Do you know about animal habitats?
What's a habitat?
A habitat is an animal's home. Let's look around and see what animal homes we can find.
How about that hole in the ground? Could that be the bird's habitat?
What do you think, boys and girls? Could a bird live in a hole in the ground?
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, what? A bird? A bird live in a hole? No, the birds don't live in this hole. This is a gopher hole. I've never heard of a bird living in my gopher hole. I'm building tunnels. I got a lot to do. You need to get out of here. This is a gopher hole, not a bird hole.
Well, I don't think that birdie lives in a hole in the ground. How about that stream over there?
Boys and girls, could a bird live in a stream under the water?
What? Birds live under here with me? Birds don't live in the stream. They can't live underwater. They don't have gills like we do. How's a bird gonna breathe under the water? Fish live in the stream. We float and we swim and we eat the bugs and all the little plants. We glide across the rocks and feel the water brush against our fins. This is a stream where fish live, not birds. Birds do not live in this stream. Now go away so I can try to swim and eat my bugs.
A stream is definitely not a bird habitat. Where else could a bird live?
How about that mound above the ground?
Good idea, Miss Linda. Let's check it out.
Do you think a bird can live in that mound of dirt above the ground?
Did somebody say bird? 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 Where? Birds eat ants. Birds don't live in ant hills. They eat ants on the ant hills. Please don't say there's a bird around here. Get the birds away. We have lots of work to do. We're carrying all the stuff from the ant hill and storing our food. We gotta go. Get out of here, quick.
Those ants were very busy.
Yeah, I do not think that birds live in ant hills. They seem pretty scared thinking that there's going to be a bird around.
Well, where else could a bird live? I got it! How about that tree over there?
Could a bird live in a tree?
It's a nest in a tree. And look who's in the nest. It's a bird. Could this be our little birdie's home? Could our little birdie live in a nest in the tree? You did it! You found our birdie's home. He lives in a nest in the tree.
That's it! I found your home, little bird. Can you help me put the birdie back in the nest? On the count of 3, we'll make him fly. 1, 2, 3, fly, birdie! Whoa! Whoa! Look at him go! Oh, look at the birdie, looks so happy. You did a good thing, Animal. Nice job, boys and girls, helping him find his friends. Thank you so much for helping me find my birdie's home. You sure do know a lot about animal habitats. Until next time, bye-bye. Keep an eye out for my baby friend, please. Don't forget to feed him some bird food every now and then.